Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name's Ed and this is the RUKKA Beckwith glove. Okay, so the brand new concept from RUKKA. It's the retro style summer glove, available in two colourways. You've got this beautiful dark brown and of course the classic black colour. Talking about the dark brown one, they're identical in terms of specs, so I'll just keep talking about this one for now. You've got a full leather glove. So if you look down the back of the glove and all the way down the front, you've got full grain leather. There's no synthetics on this, no textiles on this at all. This is full grain, high quality leather. Staying with the palm, full grain leather on the bottom, and then you've got suede material running on the two grip areas to give you a bit more grip, a bit more feel, and also to make it wear a little bit nicer, so it's a double overlay in those high wear areas. Coming round, you've got suede running down the inside finger. If you do get caught out in the rain, you've got that suede just to wipe your visor, but this isn't a waterproof glove, this is a summer glove. But as you can see, there's no perforation down the front, so it's a little bit warmer than the RUKKA's other model. So you've got no perforations, but it is a full summer glove. Protection on the fingers and running down onto the knuckles as well. So it's a fully CE certified glove, as you'd expect with RUKKA. It's passing all the CE standards, so you're going to get good protection from this product. Wrist restraint with poppers on, just to give you a bit more protection. If you do fall off, that's going to hold your glove on your wrist and it's not going to come off. A little bit longer in the cuff on this one as well, so it's like a 3/4 length cuff on this one. Just a beautifully finished glove, absolutely stunning. If you want any more information on this glove, go to bikerheadz.co.uk. You can download the catalogue from that site too, or pick up a copy from your local dealer. Please like and subscribe below.